make sure that the music you're making is something that is not geared to trying to fit into a format. Trying to do something that's brilliantly unique, maybe a tougher climb, but a better, but at the end of the day, it separates you out from everybody else who's really trying to do something formatically. Like, well, I want to have a pop hit. I'll make a pop record. Just make a great record. Yeah. Make sure your songwriting's good. Make sure your performance is good. Make sure you can back it up with a live show. Sometimes, if you're a performing artist, try to get an agent. If you're not a performing artist, then you know what? Try to go to places where you know these people will be, where you can hand them something. The world of music supervision is definitely a big highway to, and that's cross-pollinated between people who are on the air and people who are supervising shows. Get music to them. Make sure that you can be in control of your publishing and master. So if a music supervisor calls you and says, "Hey, I want to use that song in House of Lies," you don't have to, call somebody up 5 different places just to get an approval. You can say, yes, I'll take that for X amount of dollars. Yeah, so
that's solid
just stay fluid and be aggressive, but don't be cocky and arrogance. There's a fine line between the Kanye cocky and the sincerity of, like, I'm really good at what I'm doing and I'm proud of it, and you really need to take another look or listen. And don't be afraid to hear no a lot. No just means you take a step back, take a deep breath, and find it and think about another entryway in.
Perfect.
There's been plenty of times I've heard no, and you look around and go, who else is involved in this decision? I'll go there. And then before you know it, the no becomes a yes, and you're like, how did you get there? It's like persistence.
If you want to learn the music business, let me be your music business mentor. When you get done with my course, you won't be thinking like some rookie getting out of college. You'll think like a grizzly music business veteran.